Hey y'all, it's your girl Adri, and I am here with a prank on Marche. So I am going to do the clingy girlfriend prank. Now I'm trying to see if she watching me. She over there getting us some food. So I am just gonna, I guess, act like I'm recording a video for whatever reason. Like, wait, let's just vlog real quick. Something, I gotta figure it out. Oh my God, here she come. Okay, I gotta act up now. We can check the food, but let's just do a vlog while we fade it real quick. Where your little thing? It's in there. Hey. Hey, y'all. What? Why you got two different bags? You said, what's going on, girl? Because you said you want the vlog, and I'm like, well, the mood is kind of right, so let's just go ahead and do it. Why is it two bags?
Because, I don't know, check the other one. Oh, because of our salad. And our gumbo and stuff.
Okay, cool, because I'll be jealous when you get a soup and salad.
So you gonna copy me? That's right.
Okay. What? Why are you doing that?
I'm trying to figure out why you doing this.
Why I'm doing that?
You trying to play me.
I'm not trying to play you, girl. Okay, go. Why we ain't going?
Okay, what you so?
The food in here.
I'm trying to figure out what. Can't see nothing.
Well, I don't want you to drive down the street because I'm black.
Babe.
They can see you, but they can't see me.
What's really good, babe?
I don't know. What?
Love you.
Love you too. Okay, so we are on our way home from getting something to eat.
Yes, sir.
We had a good day today.
And we did. Actually, it was kind of boring.
I was just gonna say,
like, it was actually
even though
really
it was boring, but you know, it was a long day.
Long
and I'd be
boring.
like, yeah, sometimes I'll be wishing for long days though.
Really?
So it'd be cool, yeah. It was cool to just be chilling with you. Yeah, all day. Okay, so
what's going on?
When we get back, we gonna do a little mukbang for y'all.
Oh, we doing a mukbang thing. Okay, well, let's get it popping in. That's what we gonna do.
I don't want to be driving and doing this phone thing.
You're not even driving, but it's
getting
fine.
into action.
I'm gonna give y'all. I'm gonna pay y'all some attention.
Girl, say bye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Oh, well, I guess I just wanted to do this since we don't have nothing to talk about. Position. Yeah, because you was like, we don't have nothing to talk. What is this? We could talk about our Instagram giveaway. We could talk about our Instagram giveaway. And how it's 3 different things. Yeah.
You're gonna give us a go, or they will know you took it.
Cause they don't give a fuck, Keisha. Mukbang bitches.
Okay, sorry that my hands are dripping wet. Hey guys, we're back and we're at home.
Yes, and today's mukbang consists of chicken gumbo soup,
Caesar salad for me,
red salad for me,
and chicken gumbo soup for me. From Norm's.
Bad boy hot.
Okay, so let's talk about these giveaway. What?
Nothing.
Okay, so anyway. Our first giveaway is gonna be what?
First off, First off, we are doing Instagram giveaway. She did not even say what's popping like. We are doing an Instagram giveaway. So, if y'all do not follow us on Instagram, then y'all wouldn't know about it. But even some people on Instagram don't know about it. So, I'm telling y'all right now, we doing 3 different giveaways, and it's through Instagram, so you have to follow us for one. We have not dropped any details on Instagram, but we have told them that they have to do a certain thing to start the giveaway. So I'm gonna shut up now.
What? You were supposed to keep going.
Who said that we was going? You could explain, son. We didn't say that I was gonna explain everything.
Okay. So, wow.
Oh, so much for your wife.
So let's say what the first thing is, since you explained all that. That's what I was saying.
The first giveaway is Moolah, baby.
Okay.
Young Money. I might need some more ranch, cuz. On me. Ugh.
Oh wow. The Caesar.
This shit is soggy as a mud.
Yeah, I was gonna say the croutons is kind of.
Yeah, the crouton. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well,
That's enough of that. Anyway,
let's go back to this.
so the first prize we're gonna give away is a cash bonus, and our second giveaway
That's cash bonus. That is.
will be another cash bonus, right?
No, I was just saying that.
Oh,
I was just repeating you, baby.
well, you threw me off.
Trying to be your echo.
Mm-mm.
You got food in my mouth? Well, I actually got food in here. Just went
Okay, so then for the second one, come on, because I guess I'm just feeling like I'm put on the spot.
The second one, I was actually gonna do. I was thinking, can I get a drum roll, please? No, I'm just playing. I was thinking, we actually, before we even thought about really doing it, we post a question. I'm lying like a mug. We posted that we are thinking about doing a giveaway. So it was just like a thought. And somebody inboxed us and said, do it. So that special person, they don't have an Instagram. I mean, they don't have a YouTube, so I won't shout them out here. But they do have an Instagram, and they provided some equipment to help us do the giveaway. So that's gonna be the second one. I'm thinking about adding to it, even though it's like a nice quality and what's the other word I'm looking for?
What's that?
Like money wise, quality and
Quantity.
and quality wise. I got
It's
food
so
coming
cute.
out my mouth.
Mm-mm.
So yeah, that's the second one.
It was good. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready for the main?
Ready for the man. See, they don't know how to eat.
I do. I ate more salad than you.
Salad.
Yeah. Okay, we have a chicken fettuccine with a cheesy garlic bread, maybe. What is it?
Yep. Chicken fettuccine with garlic bread. Some garlic bread. I'm gonna drop my top. What's garlic bread looking right? Say it don't. Say it don't.
What is tasting like?
That's good. My shirt don't even look as green as yours.
With the chicken?
Yeah, look. Look at mine. It's straight. No, I'm fucking with you. It's good?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Man.
What? I wiped my mouth before I kissed you. You really good. Why you being like that?
Why you being like that?
You don't like it?
My girlfriend is not clingy. My food needs to be eaten
Yeah, mine too.
up. He wasn't gonna say nothing. No, I'm just.
Yeah.
It ain't even recording. It ain't even fucking recording, baby. Your face.
That is hilarious. You're not gonna heat your bread up?
No. Life hack. Use dinner plate on your microwave. It'll change the world. There, I put on my pan. It'll reheat your food instead of cooking that bitch. You're not even talking to them.
I know that's messed up. I'm sorry, guys.
Just disrespectful.
You got wrapped in the moment of a nice little prank on Marche.
Yeah. What prank you doing on me?
Clingy girlfriend. You like that?
Cause you not clingy.
Y'all in a car ride home, she was just like, what's going on here? That's crazy.
Clingy girlfriend prank you up.
Girl.
You was something else.
And by the way, my chest really was hurting. But anywho, y'all, I guess Marche really liked the clingy girlfriend, even though she was looking at me crazy, giving me the side eye.
Oh yeah.
And she wasn't gonna warm my food up.
Oh,
It's
my
okay.
bad.
Like, comment,
That
and
was so
subscribe
rude.
to this video. Turn them notification bells on. Thank y'all for watching.
And tell her she need to do some more clingy prank videos. Love y'all.